In this video, you're going to learn how to build an audience with 0 followers. And this is part of a series that's called Strangers to Superfans. It's how you turn people from not knowing you to getting to know you, to trust you, and to eventually buy products from you. And it's what I discovered that works when it comes to getting attention online, to finding out who your audience is, where they hang out, and what they want. To build an audience, first you need to know the baby steps of online business, and I went over that in the last video. I will link to that in the description or up top. But those baby steps are content, audience, monetization. This is baby step 2, audience. How do you build an audience? You invite them to your house. You make them a sandwich. You cook them something nice to eat. You give them some steak or something. You sizzle up some fries and a burger, right? You invite them to your house and you become their friend. You have conversations with them. How do you do that? Through email marketing, right? Your house is something that you own, right? So you want to invite them to your email list. You own that. If you're trying to figure out what to say to your audience and that's hard for you, then the AI Content Starter Kit can help you figure out what to write in your emails in about less than 30 minutes. I'll link to that in the description. Let's talk about the what, when, and why of building an audience. What to do. So each week, I told you about the law of 52 in the last video. You should be making 52 videos, 52 weeks, 52 emails. So each week you make a video, you send it out to an email list. When do you do it? In each piece of content, which is baby step number 1, you should have a call to action to get them on your email list. So that means you need a lead magnet. The call to action, you invite them to your house, you fix them a nice dinner, have a conversation with them. You have ongoing conversations with them. They start getting used to hearing from you. Once they start getting used to hearing from you and they see that you provide value, whenever you do start to pitch, or when you have a product or a book or something like that to sell, it won't seem weird that you're asking for them or that you're giving them an opportunity to help them. Why should you do this? Algorithms change all the time. It's something that I see people complain about on social media all the time. And then we just recently had this big debacle, this TikTok ban fiasco, and everybody that had put all their eggs in the TikTok basket, they lost the farm. This is like common sense stuff. You've heard it all the time. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. So I wouldn't go all in on just one platform. Things happen in the world. You don't want to put all your eggs in a basket that you don't own, which is why I'm saying build your email list. When you start to interview when you start to listen to some of the business owners that make a lot of money, and you ask them what is one of the things that they wish that they had have done sooner, email list is at the top of that list where they say, man, we missed out on money. So you want to build your email list. We have talked about the what, we talked about the when, we've talked about why, and I'll give you a strategy in a sec. But if you want to know what to say to them when you're sending out those emails, the AI Content Starter Kit can help you do that in under 30 minutes. I will link to the description. It's very easy. And those 27 minutes really is just 4 lessons that one teaches you in a few minutes how to come up with a social media marketing strategy, content marketing strategy in another few minutes, and then an email marketing strategy in another few minutes. Altogether, they're less than 30 minutes. So the AI Content Kit can help you do that. Don't forget to check the description and check that out. Here's the strategy. Each week when you release that piece of content that I mentioned in baby step 1, you're going to send an email. If you don't have an email list, that content that you're creating should have a call to action to join your email list. If you don't have a lead magnet, that's not a problem. If you don't have a lead magnet or an email list, then check out this playlist all about it. It's going to teach you all about how to create a high converting lead magnet. Make sure you check that playlist out. So we're creating content, we're building an audience, but even with these 2, you still don't have a business unless you can do what we're going to cover in the next video, and that is monetization. If you want to learn about how you can monetize these things, then watch this video here.